Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will show you how to fix the access denied error on NVIDIA control panel on PC. Let's get started. First, try running the NVIDIA control panel as an administrator. Right-click on the NVIDIA control panel shortcut or search for it in the start menu and select Run as administrator. This gives the app full permission and often fixes the access denied error instantly. Sometimes the error happens because NVIDIA services aren't running. Press Ctrl L plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager. Go to the Service tab, find NVIDIA display container, right-click it and choose Restart. After restarting the service, try opening the control panel again. If it still doesn't work, your drivers might be outdated or corrupted. Open a browser and go to NVIDIA driver download page. Download the latest driver for your graphics card, then install it. Restart your PC. A fresh driver install usually fixes access issue. And that's it. Follow these steps. Helps to fix access denied error in NVIDIA control panel on PC. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.